There are seasons in life when everything feels like it's falling apart, when what once felt stable begins to break, and the version of yourself you used to rely on no longer fits. In those moments, it's easy to believe you are being forgotten, left behind, or even punished. But what if the breaking is not the end? What if it's the beginning of something deeper, something intentional? God does not destroy without purpose, He rebuilds with precision. The silence, the waiting, the pressure, it's all part of a divine process, shaping you into someone stronger, wiser, and more aligned with His calling. You are not being undone, you are being rebuilt. There are moments when God allows certain things in your life to fall apart, not because He wants to harm you, but because what you were holding on to is no longer strong enough to carry where He is taking you next. What once felt like a blessing can become a limitation if it is not aligned with your future purpose. Sometimes we become comfortable in places, relationships, habits, and even mindsets that once served us well, but over time they begin to restrict our growth. God, in His wisdom, sees what we cannot see. He understands the weight of your calling and the level you are meant to step into, and He knows that what you currently rely on may not survive that next level. So He begins a process that can feel confusing and even painful. Doors close unexpectedly. Plans you carefully built start to crumble. People you trusted may walk away. It feels like loss, like something valuable is being taken from you. But in reality, God is removing what is fragile, what is temporary, and what cannot withstand the pressure of your destiny. If He allowed you to carry those things forward, they would eventually break under the weight of what He has prepared for you. This breaking is not random. It is intentional. It is precise. God is not careless with your life. Every piece that falls away is something that could not support the structure He is building within you. Just like a builder tears down a weak foundation before constructing something stronger, God removes what is unstable so He can establish something that will last. You may not understand it in the moment, and it may even feel unfair, but there is purpose behind every disruption. What makes this process even harder is that we often try to hold on. We pray for things to go back to how they were. We resist the change because it feels uncomfortable and uncertain. But God is not interested in keeping you where you were. He is focused on where you are going. He is shaping you for something greater, something that requires strength, faith, and a deeper dependence on Him. This season, it is important to trust that God knows what He is doing, even when it doesn't make sense. The breaking is not a sign of failure. It is evidence of transformation. You are being prepared to carry more, to handle more, and to become more. What is being removed from your life is not meant to follow you into your future, and what God is building in its place will be stronger, more stable, and capable of supporting the purpose He has placed inside of you. What He is building in you will not be easily shaken. It will be able to carry the weight of your purpose, your calling, and the future He has prepared for you. And as this process continues, you may notice something else happen in you, may find yourself feeling alone in ways you didn't expect. People who once surrounded you may no longer understand you. Conversations feel different. The connection you once had with certain environments begins to fade. It can feel like you've been set apart, like you no longer belong where you used to be. But this isolation is not rejection, it is preparation. God often pulls His chosen ones into seasons of isolation, not to punish them, but to protect and prepare them. When He is doing deep work within you, distractions have to be removed. The noise has to quiet down so you can hear His voice more clearly. The crowd, it's easy to be influenced by opinions, expectations, and pressures that are not aligned with your purpose. But in isolation, God has your full attention. He begins to reshape your thinking, refine your character, and strengthen your spirit without interference. This season may feel uncomfortable because it goes against your natural desire for connection and validation. You may wonder why certain friendships are fading, or why you feel distant even in familiar places. But God is not taking people away from you without reason. He is creating space so that what He is placing within you can grow without being diluted or misunderstood. Not everyone is meant to walk with you into your next season, and that is not a loss, it is alignment. In isolation, God teaches you how to depend on Him in a deeper way. When there is no one else to lean on, you begin to discover His presence more intimately. You start to hear His guidance more clearly. You learn to trust Him not just when things are good, but when things are uncertain. This is where your faith is strengthened, not in comfort, but in quiet moments where it's just you and Him. It is also in this season that your identity becomes clearer. Away from outside influences, you begin to understand who you truly are, not based on what others say, but based on what God says about you. Removes labels that no longer define you and replaces them with truth. He breaks off insecurities, fears and doubts that were shaped by your past and begins to rebuild you with confidence and purpose. This preparation is necessary because where God is taking you requires strength, clarity, and a solid foundation. If you carried the same mindset, the same dependencies, and the same influences into your next level, you would struggle to stand. So God isolates you for a season, not to leave you empty, but to fill you with everything you need. Even though it may feel lonely at times, you are not alone. God is with you in every moment, working behind the scenes, shaping you into who you are meant to become. This season will not last forever, but what it produces in you will. And when you step out of it, you will not be the same. You will be stronger, more focused, and fully prepared for what is ahead. And when you step out of it, you will not be the same. You will be stronger, more focused, and fully prepared for what is ahead. But as you begin to move forward, you may start to notice something deeper happening within you. It's not just your environment that has changed, it's you. The way you think, the way you respond, the way you see yourself and your purpose. It all begins to shift. This is because God is not only changing what surrounds you, He is transforming who you are at your core. Your identity is being reshaped by His hands. For a long time, parts of who you believed yourself to be were formed by experiences, opinions, and labels that were placed on you. Some of those labels came from past failures, from rejection, from moments where you felt overlooked or not enough. Others may have come from people who never truly understood your purpose. Over time, those things can become deeply rooted, shaping how you see yourself and what you believe you are capable of. But God does not build on false identity. Before He elevates you, He corrects what is within you. This process can feel unfamiliar because you begin to outgrow the version of yourself you once knew. Things that used to define you no longer feel accurate. Reactions that once came naturally begin to change. You start letting go of thoughts and habits that once felt normal. It can feel like you are becoming someone new, and in many ways, you are. God is aligning you with your true identity, the one He designed for you long before circumstances tried to define you. As He reshapes you, He begins to replace insecurity with confidence, not the kind that comes from pride, but the kind that comes from knowing who you are in Him. Teaches you to stand firm, not based on external validation, but on His truth. You no longer need constant approval from others because your foundation is no longer in people, it is in God. This shift changes how you carry yourself, how you make decisions, and how you approach challenges. At the same time, God begins to refine your character. He works on your patience, your discipline, your integrity, and your ability to trust Him even when things are unclear. These are not surface-level changes, they are deep transformations that prepare you for greater responsibility. Because where God is taking you, your character will matter just as much as your calling. Without this inner work, the external blessings would not be sustainable. You may not always recognize this transformation as it's happening. Sometimes it feels slow, almost invisible, but over time the evidence becomes clear. You handle situations differently. You respond with more wisdom. You carry a sense of peace, even in uncertainty. This is how you know God is working not just around you, but within you. This reshaping is essential because your next level requires a new version of you. God is not just upgrading your circumstances, He is upgrading your identity, so you can fully step into what He has prepared. And the person you are becoming will be able to walk in that purpose with strength, clarity, and unshakable faith. And the person you are becoming will be able to walk in that purpose with strength, clarity, and unshakable faith. But even with that growth, There are still moments when the process feels heavy, when the weight of everything you've been through seems almost too much to carry. You may wonder why the journey includes so much discomfort, why the transformation isn't easier, why the path forward sometimes feels marked by struggle. This is where many people misunderstand the process, because pain is not a sign that something is wrong. In many cases, it is a sign that something is changing. Pain is part of the rebuilding process. It is not sent to destroy you, but to refine you. Just as something must go through pressure to be strengthened, your life is being shaped through moments that stretch you beyond your comfort zone. These moments reveal what is hidden beneath the surface. They expose fears you didn't realize were there, patterns that needed to be broken, and areas where your faith needed to grow. Without this process, those things would remain buried, quietly limiting your ability to move forward. When you experience pain, it often forces you to confront what you would otherwise avoid, pushes you to seek God more deeply, to ask questions, to reflect, and to grow. It strips away the illusion of control and reminds you that your strength alone is not enough. And while that realization can feel uncomfortable, it is also where true transformation begins. Because when you stop relying only on yourself, you create space for God to work in ways you never imagined. There is also a refining that happens through pain. It shapes your character in ways that comfort never could. It builds patience when you want immediate answers. It develops endurance when you feel like giving up. It teaches humility, compassion, and understanding, allowing you to connect with others on a deeper level. These are qualities that cannot be developed without going through something real. They are forged in the middle of difficulty, not in the absence of it. At times, the pain may feel isolating, as if no one truly understands what you're going through. But even in those moments, God is present. He sees every struggle, every tear, every silent battle. And He is not distant, He is working within it all. What feels like a breaking point is often a turning point, where something within you shifts, where your strength deepens, and where your faith becomes more real than ever before. It's important to understand that pain is not permanent, but what it produces in you can be. The lessons, the strength, the growth, these stay with you long after the moment has passed. And when you look back, you begin to see that what once felt like a setback was actually a setup for something greater. God does not waste your pain. Every moment of it is being used to shape you, prepare you, and position you for what is ahead. And even though it may not make sense right now, there is purpose in it. You are not just going through something, you are becoming someone through it, someone stronger, wiser, and ready for the next phase of your journey. You are not just going through something, you are becoming someone through it, someone stronger, wiser, and ready for the next phase of your journey. And as this transformation continues, there is one truth that begins to stand out more clearly than ever before. What God is building in your life is not temporary. It is not fragile, and it is not something that will collapse under pressure. It is designed to last. In the past, there may have been things you built on your own understanding, plans, relationships, or decisions that seemed right at the time but eventually failed to hold. Not because you didn't try hard enough, but because they were not rooted deeply enough to withstand the challenges that came against them. But when God rebuilds, He does it differently. He doesn't rush the process, and He doesn't skip the foundation. Every step is intentional, every delay has meaning, and every layer He adds is meant to strengthen what is being formed. What God is building in you and around you is grounded in truth, shaped by purpose, and secured by His guidance. That means it won't be easily shaken by circumstances, opinions, or unexpected challenges. While temporary things may rise quickly and fall just as fast, what God establishes grows steadily and stands firmly over time. It carries a kind of strength that doesn't depend on perfect conditions, it endures even when things are difficult. This is why the process may feel slow at times. You may look around and see others moving faster, achieving things sooner, or stepping into opportunities that you've been waiting for. It can be tempting to question why your journey is taking longer. But what you don't always see is the depth of the work God is doing within you. He is not just preparing something for you, He is preparing you for something that requires stability, wisdom, and resilience. When the foundation is strong, What is built on top of it can grow without fear of collapse. That is what God is doing in your life. He is creating something that will not only bless you, but also impact others in ways you may not yet fully understand. The strength He is placing within you will allow you to carry responsibility without breaking, to face challenges without losing direction, and to remain grounded no matter what comes your way. There will come a time when you will look back and realize that every delay, every moment of rebuilding, and every season of waiting was necessary. You will see that if things had happened the way you originally wanted, they would not have lasted. But because God took His time, because He rebuilt you with care and precision, what you step into will be secure. This is not just about reaching a destination, it's about becoming established in a way that cannot be easily undone. What God is building in your life is meant to stand, to grow, and to remain. And when it finally comes together, it will not resemble the fragile things of the past. It will reflect strength, purpose, and a foundation that is unshakable.